Good morning, student. This is last topic of this chapter number 5. Very important. That is cell organelle. A small organ-like structure present inside the cell is called a cell organelles. It has a particular structural makeup and perform a specific function. Depending upon the presence or absence of membrane, cell organelle can be classified into three categories. First one is the without membrane, second one is the single membrane bound, and third is the double membrane bound. Without membrane. Some cell organelles like ribosomes are not bounded by any membrane. They are present in prokaryotic as well as in eukaryotic organisms. Single membrane bounds. Some organelles are bounded by a single membrane, for example, vacuole, lysosome, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. They are present only in a eukaryotic cell. Double membrane bound cell organelle like mitochondria and chloroplast are double membrane bound organelles. They are present only in eukaryotic cell. First cell organelle endoplasmic reticulum insult ER. It is a large network of membrane bound tubules and vesicle. On the basis of their organization, two types of endoplasmic reticulum is founded. First one is the rough endoplasmic reticulum and second one is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum looks rough because ribosomes are attached to its surface. They are sites of protein synthesis. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum look smooth because ribosomes are not attached to its surface. They are the sites of fat molecule synthesis. Important point 1. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the functioning of enzymes and hormones to carry out biochemical activities. And second important point, a smooth endoplasmic reticulum detoxifies many poisons and drugs from the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum serves as channel for the transport of material between various regions of the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Protein and fat molecule produced by endoplasmic reticulum helps in membrane biogenesis. Next cell organelle is Golgi apparatus. It was first described by a scientist Camillo Golgi. It is a system of membrane bound vesicle called cistern. Its functions include the storage, modification, and package of cell product. In some cases, complex sugar may be made from simple sugar in the Golgi apparatus. It is also involved in the formation of lysosome. Next cell organelle lysosomes. Lysosome they contain membrane bound sac with powerful digestive enzymes to digest the worn out cell organelles. When the cell gets damaged, lysosome may burst and the enzymes digest their own cell. Hence, lysosome called as suicide bags of a cell. It is a waste system of the cell. It removes all the waste material from the cell. Next cell organelle, mitochondria. Mitochondria is covered by a double membrane. Outer membrane is very porous and the inner membrane is deeply folded. These folds create a large surface area for ATP molecule synthesis. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. ATP is the energy currency of a cell. Hence, the mitochondria are called as powerhouse of a cell. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosome. Therefore, they can make their own protein. That's why mitochondria known as powerhouse of the cell.